Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to log in to your Netflix account. But before that, remember to support the channel, hit the like, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. For me, I have my Opera browser opened, and in the search bar type netflix.com. Or you can simply go to your search bar and type in Netflix. The first link that pops up, open it. It will lead you to the same page. After the home page for Netflix has been opened, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option of sign in. Click on it. Then you'll have to input your email or your phone number. Make sure that your email is correct. Then you enter your password for your Netflix account. Make sure that it is correct as well. If you're not sure, you can click on the right side of the box where it shows the word show. After that, you simply press on sign in and you'll be logged into your Netflix account. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps. If there's any problems, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.